YouTube. Maybe I can find something to make a video on. I don't even know. Let's see here. Yeah, that seems good. Hard to do with one hand. Sorry for the noise. It's my brother watching a movie. Is that backwards? I don't know. These are bomber airplanes. I guess you just let them and they fly. Got some smoke bombs. Yeah, good enough. Here's some tanks. Yeah, like a whole box of just random stuff. Got these rope things. And rattlers. One box of pops. Let's see here. Here's one of the bigger ones. Here we got a fire truck. That's about it. It's just a fire truck. I guess it shoots sparks. Get to the other ones. We have 2 cakes. Well, technically it's 3 cakes. And more smoke bombs. A lot of smoke bombs. And maximum load mortar cannon. Let's see if I can get to it. No smoke bombs. There we go. That's heavy. Maximum load. Just back. Back in there. Sorry if you don't like the camera angle. So, just deal with it. Oh, I think I opened. Okay. Put these back. Oh, we also got some. These are pretty much mini cakes. They have like several tubes inside of them and they just shoot sparks and stuff. They're called the bug zapper. There's one of the bigger boxes. Let's see here. Oh. These were the ones I was kind of excited about because they're huge bottle rockets with a smiley face on it. Trying to get that focus. There we go. Man, looks like my eyesight. Well, at least it says smiling from ear to ear. And then some hooks here. Let's see what we got in the old box. Let's see what this Army parachute by flashing fireworks. We got a big black cat roll of poppers down there. We also got just a lot of jumping jacks. And so these M5000s. We also have the black cat version. Of course, I don't know what that is. But a lot of jumping jacks. A lot of miniature jumping jacks. So. Oh. We also have a lot of these. Just little firecrackers. Nothing big. Actually, I cut one of these open one time. And really, inside of this is just one of these covered in plaster of Paris and cardboard. There's a video on it. Go check that out. Honestly, I haven't been doing YouTube for very long, so I have no clue how to put links in in any description. So, oh, here's one that was cool. Got a huge thing of growing, or ground bloom flowers. It's just a huge case of them. So that's that. We have 4 of these paratroopers. We also have some sky spiders by Black Cat. And oh, I forgot to show y'all that. It's freaking huge. If I can even get to it. It's, I can't see it. Crap. Man, well, I guess you can't see it. Shadow on my phone, man. There. Man, it just smells like sulfur in this closet. Holy crap. Man, so I won't be able to get to the bottom because there's so much crap in there. But this is my 2019 4th of July fireworks stash. Nothing big really except for those 2 cakes and the mortar cannon. Well, before we got any of this stuff, this oh shit. This was gonna be our ending cake, but now we're thinking about lighting those 2 simultaneously. They're actually, I don't know what you would call them, but they're apparently illegal to sell. So if you ever get your hands on one of those, tell me. Leave a comment if you do. Reach out to me, whatever. God, I gotta try and put all this. Oh, we also have a box of fountains. And how am I supposed to get that back in there? Shit. But that's what we got so far. So, pretty much our whole 4th of July thing. No. So, we got 3 boxes and a small book bag. So, happy 4th, 2019. It's actually June, but, well, the end of June. But that's about it. Can't do a review on all the fireworks, but I'll do a couple unboxings on some of them. Oh, I forgot this one. It's too bad I can't show you the Roman candles, because those are huge. Huge freaking Roman candles. But that's about it, actually. So, happy 4th. There's one of the tanks at the... Oh, I got this mortar can. Oh, freaking crap. It's pretty big. I'll shoot.